Integration. What is integration? The reverse form of differentiation process is called the integration, which is the unchanged y with respect to x. Summary for the laws of integration. By looking at the function of s, fs, and the integration of function of s, fs, ds. 1. Given that the function of s is as raised to power n, the integration of the function of s ds will be as raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c, given that n is not equals to 1. 2. Given that the function of s is cos s, the integration of function of s ds will be sin s plus c. Number 3. Given that the function of s is sin s, the integration of the function of s fs ds will be minus cos s plus c. Given that the function of s fs is sec squared x, the integration of the function of x ds is tan s plus c. 5. Given that the function of s fs is cosec squared s, the integration of the function of s fs ds will be minus t s minus cos s plus c. Given that the function of s fs is sec s tan x, the integration of the function of x ds is sec x plus c. 7. Given that the function of s is cosec s cot s, the integration of the function of s ds, that is fs ds, will be minus cosec s plus c. Number 8. Given that the function of s is the exponential raised to power x, the integration of the function of s, that is fs ds, is exponential raised to power s plus c. Given that, number 9, given that the function of s is 1 over s, the integration of the function of the s, that is f of s ds, is inc s plus c. Number 10. Given that the integration of the function of fx1 plus the integration of the function of s fx2, the integration of the fs ds is integration of f function of s1 ds plus function of fx2 ds. The y over the s is equals to s raised to power n. Y is equals to s raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, y is equals to a plus times x raised to power n. Example, the y over the s is equals to 6s plus 6. Therefore, the integration will be equals to 6s raised to power 1 plus 6s raised to power 0, which is equals to 6s raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 6s raised to power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus c, which is equals to 6x squared over 2 plus 6x raised to power 1 over 1 plus c, is equals to 3s squared plus 6s plus c. Let's look at the differentiation. Y is equals to 3s squared plus 6s minus 2. Therefore, the y over the s is equals to 6s raised to the power 2 minus 1 plus 6, which is equals to 6s plus 6. Another example. If the y over the s is equals to 3s minus 4s plus 5s minus 1 plus 1 over s squared, the integration of the y over the s from the formula which is if the function of s is a n raised to power a times s raised to power n, therefore a times s raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Then we now have 3s raised to power s plus 1 over 3 plus 1 minus 4s raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus s 5 times s raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 1 times s raised to power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus s raised to power minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1. If we do our mathematics, we now have s 3 times s raised to power 4 over 4 minus 4s raised to power 3 over 3 plus 5s raised to power 2 over 2 minus s over 1 plus s raised to power minus 1 over 1, which equals to s3 times s raised to power 4 over 4 minus 4s raised to power 3 over 3 plus 5s raised to power 2 over 2 minus s raised to power minus 1 plus c. The symbol for integration is if the y over the s is equal to the f of s, that's the function of s, then the y is equal to the function of s, fs ds. Y is equal to the f of s ds plus c. Question 1. If you are asked to integrate 3s plus 2 raised to power 5 ds. Solution. We put u equals to 3s plus 2. If we do the differentiation of the u, we have the s over the u, which will give us 3. Then, if we invert the u to become the u over the s, we now have 1 over 3. Then, if we now integrate 3s plus 2 ds, we now have integration of u raised to power 5 s over du, which is the same as, since we have gotten our the s over du to be 1 over 5, we now have integration of u raised to power 5 du. But if you are integrating, we know that our formula when the function of s is a s raised to power n, therefore the integration of the function of the s ds will be a times s raised to power s plus 1 raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, which we now have 1 over 3 times u raised to power 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c, which is equals to 1 over 3 1/4 times u raised to power 6 over 6 plus c,